Everybody, how you doing today? I'm Brent from Brent Speed. Today's another episode of Brent Speed TV. We have a 2019 RS3 Roush Mustang, of course, Roush Supercharged. We installed a set of headers. We're gonna make a dyno pull, but first we're gonna go down, look at the engine compartment. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. Let's get started. So here's what we have. So if you have a Roush Supercharger, let's say you buy a stage 3 Roush car, you have your phase 1 and what they call the phase 2 kit. This has been upgraded to the phase 2. Rated from the factory, flywheel, 750 horsepower. Doug, come down, take a look. You get the intercooled Roush Supercharger. Now, this is what it looks like if you have the phase 1 or the phase 2. You always get the big air induction system. Really cool here on the lid. I can see the air filter. Upgraded fuel injectors. You get the proper calibration. Now, this is the phase 2 kit. Whether you buy the phase 1 or phase 2 kit, in a minute I want to go over there and look at the dyno numbers. I'll tell you about the warranty you can get. But what we did on this one is we installed a set of stainless power 1 7/8 long tube headers. I will put a link in the description so you can hear more about it. But first, let's check out this dyno pull. All right, before we go look at these numbers, so remember, 93 octane, automatic transmission. I really love this car. We're gonna take another look at it because I used to have a 2018 Roush Jackhammer Mustang. But here we are, Dynojet SAE, 673 rear wheel horsepower, 6,500 RPM. I'm gonna explain that in a minute. Torque 582, which is awesome. Peaking at 4,700 RPM. Why did I only go up to 6,500? Well, I'm hitting the factory speed limiter. So on the dyno, you're making your pull, we're hitting a speed limiter on it, so I only can run up to 6,500 RPM. Doesn't matter, 673 the tires, it's killer. On a 50 state legal kit that has an optional warranty, which I'm gonna talk about in a minute. Doug, check it out right here. Awesome looking blue, I love the color. I like the black stripe. I'm normally not a stripe guy, but I think on this car looks really, really sweet. Let's take one more look up here, Doug. Of course, on a Roush Mustang, you always get the tag, but that's it right there. It's a 2650 supercharger, front inlet, and again, it's intercooled. The kit comes with everything, including the Roush calibration. We are, like I said, 93 octane, but you can run any premium fuel with this. The calibration will adapt to each. And here's how this warranty works, okay? So, Roush includes, for no extra charge, a 3-year, 36,000 mile drivetrain warranty. Now, that's from when the car is new, not from when you install the supercharger. In order to get that warranty, you have to have it installed by like a Ford dealership or someone like us that's authorized from them, which we are. And then that's from 3-year, 36,000 mile from when the car was new, covers the drivetrain. And that's a warranty directly through Roush. It's also for a stock car. So this car is not stock right now. So if you want to buy a brand new Mustang and you want to install a 750 flywheel horsepower supercharger, the phase 2 kit is for you because for no extra charge, you can have the not worrying about it, not worrying about your drivetrain, 3-year, 36,000 miles from when you bought it, believe the car's stock. As you start to mod it, warranty's not there. But if you're modding your car, you're not really worried about it. So I will leave those links in the description about the parts. I'll show you the supercharger also. You can email quote@brentspeed.com to say, hey, what's this cost to get installed? Normally we have these superchargers in stock, so we have a pretty quick turnaround. You want it shipped to your door, typically not a problem. Sometimes we get a back order, but we've been sitting pretty good on these. So again, I'm Brent from Brent Speed. Leave that comment, happy to answer. Thanks for watching.